Okay, I added you to a shared board that is for your launch or with your first party with your host. So this is customized for you, and you will find your name at the top of your list. So we're going to talk about how to move this list to a board for yourself. So if you go to the little home screen, yours is going to look different than mine because I do have boards, but you are going to create a board to move. So you're going to go over to this little plus sign over here, and you're going to hit create board. So we'll just put trial, and pick a color, and you're going to create your board. Okay, so there's nothing in here. Then you're going to go back to the little home, and you are going to go into, find it, oh, it's under my team boards. Okay, you're going to go to launch first party with host. You're going to go to these three little dots, and you're going to click them, and you're going to go to move list, and you are going to click this, and you are going to find, you only have one on here, so it won't be so stressful. You are going to go to, where did I put trial? There it is. And I'm going to move. And that will take that list from here to your board. So let's look real quick. We'll go back home. We will go down to, is it trial? There it is. And now it's here. So this has been customized. So for your next party, there are some things that you'll have to change up. Hostesses' names, dates, things like that, party link. But this is ready for you to go for your first party. Last thing, so everything is going to be reconverted. Party templates will not only be available in Trello. So I have a lot of videos on that go over how I use Trello, but if you go home, these are all called boards. So when you go into a board, go back into trial, this is called a list. And within the list you can see this right here, that is called a card. So then this would be a card. So if you start hearing on some of my other videos or some of the videos on our team page, that's the terminology. So I just wanted to share that with you. Let me know what questions that you have about trying to get that to your own board.